Hi guys, welcome back to Learning with Miss Maria. What are we going to learn about today, you may ask? Well, we're going to learn about the FOIL method. What is the FOIL method, guys? Okay, so the FOIL method is a technique to distribute two binomials. What, you may ask? I know, fancy words, but in simple words, is just multiplying two expressions. Okay guys, now let's break this down. What does F stand for? It stands for first. What does O stand for? Outer. What does I stand for? Inner. And what does L stand for? Last. Now we're gonna memorize that with a foldable, guys, and we're gonna do it together. In this foldable, we're gonna write F. First. O. Outer. I. Inner. L. Last. Oops, that was supposed to be in pink. God, you know the teacher is always making mistakes. Okay, in this foldable, we're gonna learn how to identify each step. So first, we write down a binomial, two binomials. Parentheses, x plus 3, close, open, x plus 2. So, there we have two binomials. We gotta identify the first terms of each binomial, which would be x, x, both x. And what does that give you? X squared. So remember guys, you multiply the first terms. So here, you write down the answer. Well, the answer you got for the first terms. Okay, next step would be outer. So you write down same problem, and now we find the outer terms. Which one would they be? Do you guys have any idea? Okay, now guys, what are the outer terms? They would be the outside terms of each binomial. So x, 2, and 2. Which would give us x times 2, which is 2x, right? So always remember, you gotta multiply the outer terms. Okay, now our next step would be inner. Remember, write the same two binomials. And now, what are the inner terms, guys? Well, they would be the inside terms of each binomial, which would be 3 and x. So 3 times x equals 3x. So always remember to multiply oh yeah, the outer terms. Highlight outer to remember. Okay, now our last step, which would be L, which stands for last. Write down the same problem, and you will multiply the outer ones. Which are the outer ones, guys? Correct. It would be 3 and 2. The only ones we haven't multiplied, right? So you would highlight 3 and 2. 3 times 2. What is it, guys? A big 6. Whoa, you guys are smart. So remember to write, multiply the last terms. Okay guys, and now let's put this FOIL method to actually use and solve some examples we got here. So first, we gotta multiply the first terms of these two binomials, which would be 2x times x, which gives me 2x squared. Next, we gotta do the outer one, which would be 2x times 6, which gives me 12x. Now we gotta do the inner ones. 3 times x gives you 3x. And last, we do the last terms, which would be 3 and 6 equals 18. Now what's the next step? We would combine like terms. So 2x to the second power would be plus 12x plus 3x, 15x. And you just bring down this 18 by itself. And there we have it.